June 2016. If break-even point is 39 lakhs at 65% level of sales and profit is rupees 8 lakh 40,000 at 100% level of sales, find out the PV ratio. So can I say they are speaking of two capacity levels, 65% and 100%. I'll write it here, capacity. Okay, and they have given break even point sales at 65% is 39 lakhs rupees, right? And 100% levels they have given profit, not the sales. They have not given sales. They have given the profit. They have given the profit of 8 lakh 40,000 rupees. And they have told you to find PV ratio. Okay. Now, PV ratio have different formulas. Contribution by sales into 100 or change in profit by change in sales volume into 100. By this form, by seeing the data given, we can understand we can use one more PV ratio formula. PV ratio is equal to profit upon margin of safety multiplied by 100. So I will write PV ratio is equal to profit upon margin of safety, okay, into 100. I have profit 8 lakh 40. At 65% it's a break even point, so there is no profit, no loss, so I'll say 0 it is. So the question of finding what is the profit at 65% capacity is not there, it's 0 only. Okay, no profit, no loss position. So can I say the numerator we have already 8 lakh 40,000 rupees. Now we have to find margin of safety. What is margin of safety? Margin of safety is nothing but whatever your actual sales is there minus break even sales. Now you have break even sales. You have to find what is the actual sales. If they are saying break even point sales is 39 lakhs, okay, then can I say full amount will be the 100% capacity sales which we will get actual sales. So can I say 39 lakhs divided by 65% will give me the actual sales at 100% capacity? Yes, I am saying this 60 lakhs is nothing but 100% capacity levels actual sales, correct? So can I say my actual sales is 60 lakhs minus my break even sales is 39 lakhs. So what I get is called margin of safety, which is 21 lakh rupees. So I got the denominator also. Okay, multiply by 100, which will give you nothing but 40%, which is your PV ratio. So the answer is 40% PV ratio. Okay. Now C, next question. If the fixed cost per unit is rupees 40 at 40% level of capacity, what should be the fixed cost per unit at 80% level of capacity? So actually you have to keep in mind that fixed cost per unit is 40 at 40% level capacity, and therefore the fixed cost per unit at 80% will be the half. Like 40% level it was 40 rupees. This is capacity, right? And this is 80% capacity. So at 80% it will become half, because this 40% it is doubling the capacity level. So the rupees will become half. So it will become 20, which they have found. Because as the level of capacity increases, fixed cost per unit decreases. Okay, this you should remember. I can prove this. How we will prove? Assume at 40% capacity, assume I am producing 1000 units. Okay, and as I am producing 1000 units and my fixed cost per unit is rupees 40. So can I say it becomes 40,000 rupees? Fixed cost is 40,000 rupees at 1000 units. Okay, fixed cost is constant, correct? Fixed cost is constant. So irrespective to the level of capacity increases or decreases, my amount remains constant. So can I say 40,000 will remain constant at 80% level capacity also? So can I say at 80% capacity also my fixed cost is rupees 40,000, right? So if I want to find fixed cost per unit at 80% capacity, so how will I do? I will divide 40,000 rupees divided by, at 80% what will should be the number of units I will be producing. At 40% capacity I am producing 1000 units. At 80% capacity I will be producing 2000 units. Correct? At 40% it's 1000 units which I am producing. That 80% capacity I should be producing 2000 units, right? Doubling. So 40,000 rupees divided by 2000. 40,000 fixed cost in numerator divided by 2000 units. Can I say it is giving me rupees 20, which we got here also? Okay. This is for proving the theory. The theorem, the concept it is here, fundamental, that as the level of capacity increases, fixed cost per unit decreases. Although total fixed cost remains the same irrespective of level of production. So you should keep in the mind this thing. This is a very important thing. Okay. You should jot down. You should note it in your notes. Okay.